Here's how to turn off subtitles and captions on YouTube in 2026. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and play any video. While the video is playing, tap once on the screen. At the top right, tap the CC icon. If captions are on, tapping this will turn them off instantly. To stop captions from turning on automatically, tap your profile picture in the top right. Go to Settings, then tap Captions. Now, toggle off to disable subtitles across YouTube. If captions still appear, make sure your caption language isn't set to auto-generate. Leaving this off prevents captions from coming back. And that's it. Subtitles and captions are now completely turned off on YouTube. Subscribe for more simple iPhone YouTube tips.